am a light. I am a light in this world. I am a light. I am a light. I am a light in this world. And I shine and I shine. I shine so bright. And I shine and I shine. I shine so bright. And you are a light, and we are a light in this world. I am a light, and you are a light. We are a light in this world. And we shine, and we shine so bright. And we shine, and we shine so bright. We shine so bright. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, let's take a deep breath. Let's continue to go into that deeper space, whether you want to find a beautiful place in this room or just find the beautiful place within. Just move into that environment right now. You are a light. As you move into this place and the moment that feels so comfortable for you, see your light. See it expanding and growing and glowing and showing up in all the ways and the places and with the people you see around you in the world and in this room. See that light showing up for the divine nature within you. Tuning into it carefully and securely. You have a secure connection to this divine nature. It never leaves you. Just log in, log off of the outer world and log into that amazing source that is powering you. And if you see within this space a beautiful crystal screen, allow it to show up for you and perhaps bring forth a message that only you will understand. See the words lighting up, showering you with love and awareness of, yeah, this is right. This is right for me. I hear it. I feel it. Feel it expanding your awareness and your thoughts and ideas about yourself today. Will you use it in some way? Will it transform you today? We don't need to wait for Easter. It can be in any moment we choose. We can allow this divine nature within us to move us into a new way of being at any time. Are you ready? Feel yourself connected to this nature within you. Keep that screen open for messages that will guide you, There's no need to log off ever. You are in the powerhouse of your soul. You are in the control seat of the direction of your life. And if you'd like to lean gently forward and put your hands, your fingertips on this keyboard that is below the screen that you see, send a little message back to that inner self. What would it be? There's no message too small or too big that cannot be contained within the universe of love. And when you're ready, hit send and allow it to move forward out into space. Feel the comfort and the knowing that you have completed the mission of this time. You've accepted in the message for your heart, and you've shared a message back. As you move back into this space and place, wiggle your toes and flex your fingers. Gently open your eyes and take a deep breath and welcome back.